We guide you through how to fix the iMessage activation error on iPhone. First thing to do is to make sure you are connected to Wi Fi or mobile data. Then, go to your settings, messages, and turn iMessage off. Wait 5 seconds and turn it on again. Next, open settings, general, date and time, and enable set automatically. If it still won't activate, go to your settings again, Apple ID, name, phone numbers, email, and ensure your phone number and Apple ID email are verified. Then, go to settings, phone, my number, and make sure the correct number is entered. You can also try restarting your iPhone. If it still fails, go to settings, general, transfer, or reset iPhone. Reset Reset network settings, then try activating again.